Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful morning. It is September the 22nd, 2025. As you see, I have already traded. Yes, I have. I placed a trade of NQ at 24,878.75, and you can see it's already made 1,400 plus dollars here. So I just wanted to share with you, if you place a right trade, there's always you will make money. Now I could have cashed it at 1,000, but I'm sitting in there knowingly that it will continue to go up. Just to make a larger point here, you see it took a dip. It may dance a little bit here, it may go further down here, but then it will go back up again. That is understanding the fundamentals of trading. Now, day trading is a very highly risky business. I have, in my presentation here, I don't give any financial advice. Neither am capable of giving a financial advice, but I show you how I trade. Now, I guess it's the right question to ask. How do I place a right trade? Well, I look at several parameters here. I look at the news of the financial news of the day. Then I look at how the market has behaved in European and Asian markets, and then come in here and analyze different codes here, which you can see. It's like a what you excuse me. What you see is like a proprietary things over here you're looking at. In order for you to groom yourself the way you're looking at it, the way I'm making the money here, is to develop first a mindset. If we develop a mindset of what tools we need, and when you employ those tools, how to read them, and then go on with that. You see, I told you that it will take a dip and it will go back up again, and it's still marching upwards. It will continue to do so. So what I'll do is that let's close this particular one. I was going to say about 2,000. It just clicked 2,000. So I'm going to close it here. And first, if you're interested in seeing how I manage my daily trading, my expertise in this matter here, I would like for you to see a lot of YouTube videos, of course mine including. You're looking at it one right now, and go through that, create a mindset, and then if you're ready, hit me up and I'll share with you at no cost to you. As you see, I do it in Ninja Trader. They don't give me any money for it, but that's a platform I use here. It has taken a dip here. You saw it went up to 2,000 and then it came back. Now it is trading at about 1,600 plus. Again, I'm fully confident here it will go back up again here. So I am going to close today's deal here at about 2,000 plus whatever I get out of here. I'm not, although you see, oh my God, you almost made $2,000, you have lost $400. I haven't lost a bit. I haven't lost a penny here, and here's the reason why. Because I've already, what's $400 when I'm already at $1,600 a day? So if I have to give a little from the profit I'm making, it's okay. That's an attitude you have. But that attitude only comes with the confidence that you have placed a right trade. And that's exactly what I've done here. See, it took a dip. We went down about 1,600 plus. Now it will take an upswing again. Hopefully it will go through. That's what I'm counting on. That's where my trade is right now. So I will close it at 2. How about that? And you do the same. Now, for you to understand when you're going to watch, at whatever time you watch, it is good idea that you share it with your other friends also. Let them subscribe as well, so that then you guys can make your own team and try to understand how people who are interested and develop a passion for this, you will make money. Yes, not everyone makes money. You have to lose a lot to make money, but what I recommend is that you start with a simulated account. Go set up an account with Ninja Traders or any other platform you use. It's okay with me, it doesn't matter to me. Then practice in the simulation account. And that's where you get the real practice. See, now it has taken a further dip here. It has gone down from 2000 now to $1,400. It might take a little more bite out of this here. But as you see, I have placed a stop loss which is below all that money supposedly you saw we were making. But it's okay. It's okay. Nothing to lose. If push comes to shove and I feel like let's close it at any point, let's take at least $1,400, $1,300, we'll do it. But I'm fully confident that it is going to go back up and we'll make a 2000 and we'll close it at that point, right? That's the way I like to do it. As you see, you're looking at several charts here. But I'm looking at about almost 6, but you can only do 4 at a time here because that's what my screen shows you. Unless I buy now a 30-inch monitor for them, and then I can go, when I start doing live for you guys, that I will show you one by one. Look at this screen here. This is what it means, and for you to understand how to interpret all this here. So here we are. We dipped down to 1400. Now it's going back to 1600. It's going to go up 2000 plus. What I will do today is that I will show you my confidence here. If this really goes where I think the market will eventually take me, this might be at minimum of $3,000, $4,000 trade here. So, but I'll close here at about 2000. Now, let me give you a head start here. Let's look at the screen on your right. See, right where you see this amount, right here, what you're looking at is a 1 minute chart. On my left here, on this screen, is a 5 minute chart. Here is a 10-minute chart, and here is another special chart. So, how I place my trade is, now looking at it, you might say, do I follow the trend? Well, trend, if it takes a turn on you, then what are you going to do? So you cannot place your trades on trends. Yes, some people do trade the trend and make money, and you can do the same too. But at what point? Because when you take a bites like this here, and let's say you started a trend and you think you're going to be on it, and it takes a bite, it may take all the money you may have. So there are other factors into this here. How to calculate a one by one here. Now, let me focus here to see what is going on here, so that I may, if I feel like I may have to cash it out. I don't think I will at this point. I still want to make my 2000 here. And we are doing good here. All right. So the first lesson was, look at today's financial news. That will give you an idea if the market is going to be up or down. Then with that mindset, then you start to look and analyze what is the best entry point. How do you do that? The way I do it. That's why you say, well, that's why I'm interested in what I have to say on this here. I place my trade on several factors. The second factor for me is that did the market in the European and the Asian market, was it also in the uptrend or downtrend? That also assists me that how the trade is going to go in what direction. Number 3, then I analyze that how have NQ has behaved in last 1 week. The fourth thing I add to this dimension is the fight would be between the buyers and sellers all the time. And I keep an eye on the volume. That's the reason I said that. We are almost at 1900 now, and it's going to go further up here, hopefully. So, and the fifth thing now would be that I look at days opening, day high and low. Then I also look at how it has touched a different, I call them the soul points, the basic points where the market goes up and down and it fluctuates in a certain zone. And how does it handles that there? Does it retest and test and retest, test and retest, and then it takes a movement? Then I'm confident that I can make a $500 trade. But some trades like this here, where it is at this point it is struggling and saying, hey, listen, I'm not going to give you a break. I may have to start taking a downturn here. But I am still confident here that we're going to make a 2000. So let me focus here and study a little bit more here, because I have to make a decision that am I good with my 1800 for today? Yeah, it's we'll fight this here. Um, it's kind of an uphill battle, but we are not too far. So let's put a, how about I put a close deal here. Let's see if it will give me what I'm looking for.
Order submitted.
This is where we can close sharply. All right, we're going to get up what we want. $2,000 right there. You saw where I place to sell this here. And boys and girls, that's the way to go. I wish you the very best, all of you the same. Again, there is a fight. Oh, yeah, I can still close it, but do I want to close it where I placed it? Yes, I would.
Order filled.
Bang, we got it. All right, you spend your brains on this here. I'll catch up with you another day. Thank you.